In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a triangle in Microsoft Visio. Whether you're creating a detailed diagram or simply spicing up a drawing, learning how to incorporate a custom triangle can enhance the visual appeal of your project. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this in just a few straightforward steps. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Visio. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might log in automatically. If not, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address, your password, and any other details required to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Microsoft 365 Copilot homepage. Here, look for the Apps section. Clicking on Apps will reveal a variety of tools, including Microsoft Visio. Find Visio and click on it to get started. Now that you have Visio open, it's time to choose a file to work on. You could either open an existing file or start with a new blank canvas, whichever suits your needs. Once you have your working file ready, take a look at the Visio interface and focus on the ribbon at the top of the screen. You'll want to click on the Home tab, which contains various tools for drawing and formatting shapes. Next, look for the Rectangle tool located on the ribbon. There's a small arrow next to it. This More arrow allows you to access additional drawing tools. Click this arrow and you'll see options like the Pencil, Line, or Freeform tool. Any of these tools can be used to craft a custom shape, but we're focusing on creating a triangle specifically. For our purposes, select either the Line or Freeform tool to start drawing. Once your chosen tool is activated, move your cursor to the drawing page and click to start creating your triangle. Click and drag your mouse to form the first side of the triangle. Then click again to mark where you want the second side to end. And finally, complete the shape by connecting the third side back to your starting point. It's important to ensure that the final point is connected back to the initial one to form a closed shape, a triangle. There you have it. You've successfully drawn a custom triangle in Microsoft Visio. Whether you're crafting this shape for a business diagram or integrating it into a creative project, the ability to draw a triangle and other shapes enhances your proficiency with Visio. Feel free to experiment with more shapes and tools to create even more detailed diagrams. Thanks for following along, and keep exploring all that Microsoft Visio has to offer.